My name is Atle Gerhardsen and I work for Cautus Geo in Norway. We are a monitoring company, so we do all types of monitoring, focusing especially on unstable construction and land areas, and we're also doing environmental monitoring. We can follow the whole life cycle for a project. We can do site investigations, we can do planning of a monitoring system, and we can also perform the installation, and we can follow up the project for the whole lifetime. Personally, I like the avalanche project that we are doing and the huge landslide projects, because I like to be outside up in the mountain working. That's the best. They fit very well in, because especially in the large construction projects that we are doing, we use the ShapeArray for monitoring sheet power walls, ground stabilization. We use it for monitoring settlements and also for monitoring railroads. We have some huge projects that we're doing in Norway now where there are big construction close to railroads that are open for traffic all the time. So it's very important for our clients to have a good monitoring system to make sure that the tracks are okay. The ShapeArray has no problem with cold weather or hot weather. It just works fine. What I really like about it is that I can really trust the data. And if you see something funny in the data, you can look at the raw data and you can actually find out what's really happening.